Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. So we're just taking a quick look at Polygon then on our daily time frame, looking like we could potentially be getting a nice break and retest of our 0.23 Fibonacci for more continuation to the upside here. You can see Polygon looking extremely bullish after that reversal off the lows. The long position I took down here after we took out that low, that liquidity low of this bear market range. You can see this is the previous level of support of the bear market range. We were bouncing at that 0.23 Fibonacci for a while, going sideways. Then once we broke down, back tested and continued down here, I knew that we'd come down and head down to the low of the bear market range to test. We actually broke this, and once we did, I took a long position knowing that we were probably just grabbing liquidity down here before reversing. And then pretty much a week or so later, we had the election results, obviously very bullish for crypto, a huge reversal out of the lows, coming back to the upside, looking really, really nice. My long position just in a huge amount of profit right now and continuing as we head up towards my price target, which is that 618 Fibonacci that I'm looking for in a lot of cryptos for long positions. You can see Polygon here looking, in my opinion, like it's just going to be continuing, to be honest. Having very nice just higher highs and higher lows. Very, very bullish indeed. Lots of momentum, lots of volume, and looking like really we could be breaking this level and heading up to the next resistance, which is up towards that 70-cent area at the 0.38 Fibonacci level, which coincides with this previous level of structure as well. Overall, Polygon here looking really, really good for continuation. Not that much to report apart from the fact that we're looking extremely bullish. The weekly time frame obviously showing this here. We were bouncing at this level here for a while. We came down and then we got that final sweep below the wick, as you can see. And then the huge reversal, the chilling out week, another huge green candle, another chilling out week potentially, followed by another huge green candle. I do think we're going to be heading up towards $1 again soon, as capital rotates from Bitcoin, ETH and Solana down into the large caps. We've already seen Cardano, XRP, all kinds of other cryptos getting big moves, and I think Polygon also stands to benefit from that as well. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. Bitrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.